In this episode, I'm going to show you how I created this rainbow swirl necklace honoring Gay Pride Month. The Pride rainbow includes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, so I conditioned and rolled out sheets of polymer clay in those colors. I cut all of the clay sheets to the same size and then cut them all diagonally. I arranged them as seen here and then created a Skinner blend, folding and running the clay through my clay machine about 15 times, resulting in this rainbow blend. I conditioned and rolled out a sheet of black clay and placed the rainbow sheet on top of it. After trimming the edges, I rolled the two into a log. I rolled and compressed the log to remove any air pockets. I sliced the log into rounds 1/4 inch thick and inserted an eye pin in each round. I applied Judican's diamond glaze on one side of each round using enough to create a dome and let them dry overnight. The next day, I flipped them over and applied diamond glaze to the other side. After another 24 hours, I cut the eye pins and used my jewelry pliers to create more eyes. I connected 5 rounds together with split rings and added chain and a barrel clasp to finish the necklace. For this project and more, visit WhenCreativityKnocks.com.